Hey guys, do you know how many Gmail accounts are on your mobile number? In this video, we will learn how many Gmail accounts are on your mobile number. For this, open your Gmail app, tap 3 lines, tap setting, tap add account, then tap on Google. Enter your mobile number. Now tap to forgot Gmail. Again enter your mobile number. Hit the next button. Enter your name which you used for Gmail accounts. Tap next button. Wait for few seconds. Here are your all Gmail accounts. If you find the video helpful, then like, comment and subscribe the channel.